Hi guys, today we're at the Royal Ontario Museum checking out the exhibit Fantastic Beasts, The Wonders of Nature, which explores some of the incredible real-life animals that inspired the magical beasts found in the wizarding world. Hey, they've got some props from the wizarding world here. This is a costume from the film of Newt Scamander. Right down there is Newt's magic case. And over here, a first edition of Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. There's a BOWTRUCKLE there. I hear something over here. Is that some dragon claws? Oh. Ooh. Starting off with the most famous of magical beasts. Here's a skull from a dragon. It says it's an unknown breed. I like how the museum is mixing fantasy and reality right here. Some of the real-life inspirations for dragons include these Chinese dragons, of course much smaller, and other serpents like these giant snakes, which with a little bit of imagination became dragons and other giant creatures. Now this one's an actual beast. This is a dinosaur that's named after Hogwarts. This is a type of bone-headed dinosaur called a pachycephalosaur that was discovered in 2004, and scientists later named it the Dracorex hogwartsia after the films. It says for thousands of years unicorns were believed to be real, and bones, tusks, and fossils were traded as magical horns. Here are some wands from the Harry Potter film series belonging to Remus Lupin, Draco Malfoy, and Ron Weasley. In the wizarding world, wands containing unicorn horns and hair have magical properties. These tusks here, of course, are from narwhals, the unicorns of the sea. Another magical creature, mermaids. It says the earliest recorded merpeople were known as sirens and were first mentioned around the time of ancient Greece. Speaking of mermaids, here's a golden egg prop from Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Of course, sirens, probably mostly inspired by sea creatures like manatees. Not sure it quite bears the resemblance, but again, with a little imagination, who knows? This is kind of cool. We can explore these drawers. It says open to listen to the mer song that Harry Potter hears. And down here it says other animal sounds that may have inspired the mermaid song. That was a gray seal. Bowhead whale, and a humpback whale. Sounds almost the same. Believe it or not, these guitar fish were sometimes brought home by sailors and claimed to be mythical beasts because of the way they looked. They do look like a little human or similar creature. Let's see if we can find some mooncalves. It says these intensely shy creatures only emerge from their burrow at a full moon. Is it a full moon? I think I spotted them. Hi guys. You're super cute. It says the mooncalves were partially inspired by the actual animal, the okapi, seen here. Over here we can see the ERUMPANT. It says it can be mistaken for a rhinoceros at a distance. Let's see if he can come any closer. His face certainly doesn't look like a rhinoceros. Uh-oh. We just sprayed some ERUMPANT musk to attract a mate. Oh, hello there, buddy. Unfortunately, I got nothing for you. Sorry, bud. Oh. You're a playful fellow. These guys are BOWTRUCKLE. It says they're peaceful and shy creatures, but they're known to defend their tree if it's threatened. Get them! Go for it! Over here, I think I've spotted a NIFFLER. It says this is a British beast. This fluffy, black, and long-snouted creature loves anything glittery. So here's NIFFLER's cave over here. Let's try tempting him with some sort of shiny object. Okay, NIFFLER. You got gold. Wow. This guy collects a lot of shiny objects. Kind of reminds me of a platypus. Okay, let's see what else we can give him. How about a necklace? Yeah, it's all yours, NIFFLER. What you doing, bud? Oh, you have a pocket watch? How about some gold? Okay. Oh, he's going nuts for gold. He's full of gold. This guy's paying off. Wow. Oh. Nice. Let's explore some more actual and fantastic mythical creatures. Giraffe, I think that's an actual creature. Different fantastical types of butterflies. What is this? Over here we have a handbag carried by an invisible beast. It says when DOUGAL the Demiguise was accidentally set loose in New York City, Newt Scamander managed to locate the invisible creature when his friend Jacob spotted this handbag floating in midair. Wait a minute, I think I see him right here. There he is. And you have the handbag. Oh. Where'd he go? Ah, just kidding. There he is. And unfortunately, I think it's time to close Newt's case and head back to the real world. The gift shop has quite an assortment of Fantastic Beasts merchandise. Some very cool stuff here. BOWTRUCKLE puzzles. Hufflepuff water bottle. This shirt says there are no strange creatures. All kinds of stuffed strange creatures here. Unicorns. There's Newt's case. Your own little NIFFLER. And thanks for checking out Fantastic Beasts with us. Click the link above to join me on my next adventure.